In today's video, I'll show you how to create a special.edu email that works both as a Google account and as an educational email. As you can see on the screen, I'm already logged in. This is a highly demanded topic right now, so make sure to watch the video till the end because the full process is explained step by step. First, open any browser on your PC, laptop, or even your mobile phone. Then search for a university called Maricopa. Open the official university website. Click Apply Now. Scroll down and select Join Now, New Student. When the form opens, select No for existing student, since we're creating a new account. Now you'll need to fill in student details. Don't use your real details. Instead, search for a name generator website. Open the first result. Select gender as male and generate random details. Copy the first and last name and paste them into the form. Skip the middle name. Choose any birth year between 1998 to 2000 and leave optional fields like Social Security number blank. Next, enter a valid email address that you already own because you'll receive confirmation emails there. For the phone number, don't use a random number. Use a temporary US phone number from a temporary number website so your application isn't rejected. Copy the latest US number, paste it, remove extra symbols, and keep it to 10 digits. Complete the CAPTCHA and create a username. After that, create a strong 12-character password following the rules shown on screen. Set a recovery question so you can reset the password later if needed. Now you'll be asked for your address. Go back to the same name generator website and copy the generated US address, city, state, and zip code. Paste them carefully. For ethnicity options, select No for Latino Hispanic and choose White as shown. Skip optional sections, select English as your primary language, and choose No for military background. When asked for the start date, choose a date 15 days ahead of today. Select the first available option, accept the affidavit, and move forward. For educational background, follow the exact options shown in the video. Skip optional questions. Select No high school degree. Choose the last options where applicable. Select No credit plan. Choose Fall 2026, then click Add to my application. Next, agree to the requirements. Enter any 4-digit code, answer yes, no where required, and submit. Your application will now process, and your .edu email ID will be created. Once prompted, set a password for your EDU email. You can reuse your earlier password with a small change to make it easier to remember. After setup, your EDU email dashboard will appear. From here, click Next again. Don't change anything on this page. At this point, the EDU email has been created, but it is not fully set up yet. You can read the information on this page if you want, including how email forwarding works, but we won't change anything here. Now, click Add Classes or Add Courses. When you do this, you'll be asked to sign in using your EDU email. Enter your EDU email address, click Next, and then enter the same password you just created. At this stage, we only need to enable two-factor authentication. Everything else is already done. If you enter the wrong password by mistake, just re-enter it correctly. Once logged in, you'll see the setup page where two-factor authentication must be turned on. You'll see multiple options. If Windows Hello is available, you can use that. Otherwise, the Duo mobile app is the best option. I'll show both methods. Method 1. Windows Hello. Click Next. Then, enter your PC or laptop password. Windows Hello will be set up instantly. Method 2. Duo Mobile. Recommended. If Windows Hello doesn't appear, choose Duo Mobile. Click I have a tablet. This option is also used for phones. Now, download the Duo Mobile app from the Play Store or App Store. The app has a green icon. After installing it, click Next on the screen. When you open the Duo app, you'll only see one option: Scan QR code. Scan the QR code shown on your screen. As soon as you scan it, the setup will complete automatically, and you'll see a Continue option. From now on, whenever you log in, Duo will generate a 6-digit OTP inside the app. You'll simply enter that code. Nothing else is required. I'll continue using Windows Hello here because it's easier for me, but you can choose either one or both methods. After this, the page will load, and you'll see a dashboard that looks like a college student portal, similar to what you'd see when logging into a real university system. At this point, your EDU email is being set up in the background. Now, open a new tab and search for Google Maricopa. Pronunciation doesn't matter. If it opens successfully, great, but for most people, you'll see an invalid email error. This is normal. You must wait 12 to 24 hours. During this time, your EDU email is automatically syncing with Google in the background. After 24 hours, come back and enter the same EDU email address again. You'll receive emails during this time, but Google Login will only work after the sync is complete. Sometimes it works earlier, but the maximum wait time is 24 hours. Once you try again after the wait, you'll see the Google setup screen. Click Next, then I understand. You can either create a new Chrome profile for this EDU email, or use it inside your existing Chrome profile. As you can see, the EDU email is now active. You can use it anywhere, anytime. I haven't tested every service yet, but this is a very powerful EDU email because it works both as a Google account and as a .edu email. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now. You'll keep getting content like this on this channel, so make sure to support it.